Hey guys, it's Chase from Jazz Memes, rocking my quarantine beard. It's about day 5 of no shaving. But anyways, I want to get on and talk to you about this quarantine health tracker that I came up with. It's a Google Sheet that you guys can use and just keep track of some health metrics. Make sure that even though we're all stuck inside, you're still getting the right sleep, some sun, some exercise, some water. And that'll just really make sure that you're on track, that you're still feeling physically healthy and mentally healthy. And just ready to go. So make the best of this situation. So I'm gonna switch over to the computer and show you how this Google Sheet works and how you can get it, download it, and use it to track your own health metrics. All right, so I'll see you in the computer.
All right, guys. So as you see here, we have the quarantine health tracker. I'm gonna go over each of these labels right now, but the first thing you wanna do, you're not gonna be able to edit this sheet. So when you go down in the description and click on the link, you're gonna have to go to File, and then go to make a copy. So when you make a copy, it's gonna do this and it's gonna save it to your drive. And then that's the version that you can edit, all right? So this one you're not gonna be able to, but once you save it, you can, all right? So I'm gonna edit it on this one. All right, so up top we have the labels sleep. So this is gonna be your recommended daily hours of sleeping a night. This is gonna be the best thing you can do to make sure your immune system's in check. After that, we have sun. And so that's really to make sure that you're getting your vitamin D. In general, your body can produce vitamin D between the hours of 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. based on the angle of the sun, but it depends on where you live. So about 10 to 15 minutes, really check your area. I'm lucky enough to live in Miami, Florida, so I get sun pretty much all year round. After that, we have exercise. I put in here a daily dose of 20 minutes. Coffee. All right. So in this one, this is pretty specific to me, but I'm assuming a lot of jazz musicians also deal with this. For me, if I have a cup of coffee, I'm good. If I have 2, I start to have some worse sleep. So maybe for you, it's more than 2 cups of coffee and you're in bad shape. And so I'll show you in the tracker how we can actually change those for your personal needs. After that, I have meditation. So for this, I have a daily average of 10 minutes. Yesterday, this first one right here is just showing what I did yesterday. Yesterday, I didn't meditate. If you don't meditate, you can just delete this column. Just click up here, right click, or control click on a Mac, and then you're just gonna say delete column. All right, but I'll leave it in for the people that meditate. And then this last one is, or these last 2 rather, we have water. So you're just answering, did I drink enough water today? This is totally personal up to you. If it's a yes, you put a 1. If it's a no, it's a 0. So for water, I did. Diet, did I follow my diet today? Yesterday, I didn't. And so I'm going to put a 0 for no. Now, the cool thing is, as you see right here, we have the dates, right? And so this is from yesterday as an example, from today up to a month, right? Hopefully, we don't have to do quarantine much longer than that. But if we do, I can update it. If you scroll down, you see here, we have some numbers. So this is averaging each column, and then it's going to be green or red depending on whatever ranges you've set. So I've already preset certain ranges, and then I'll show you how to change those if you like. If you want it to have, say, more exercise minutes or less, if it's less sun or more sun. So in here, it's for the sleep, it's going to put a green if it's more than 7 hours, if it's 7 or more, and if it's under that, it's going to showcase red. So really you can just look at the bottom, see how you're doing in different categories. Right now for this one date I've inputted, it's showing red for exercise. So yesterday I didn't get enough exercise from what I put in as 20 minutes. Well, let me show you how we could change that actually. So for any of these at the bottom, any of these are averaging what's above, you're just going to right click the bottom one and go to conditional formatting. And so that is where I have the rule set. So right here with the green one, it's going to light green if it's greater than or equal to 20, and say red if it's less than 20. So say I want to say, okay, 15 minutes is all I really can do daily, and that's what I want to put green. So then I would click on this one. I'm going to change this greater than or equal to 15. 15. Hit done. And then I'm going to go to the next one and say value is less than 15. Done. And then now if we look back, it's lighting up green, right? So you can adjust those for your own personal thing. Same thing with coffee. Say for coffee, I have it as long as I'm under 2, then I'm good. If it's 2, then 2 or more, then that's not good for me. It means I'm going to get worse sleep. For meditation, you can also change this. Say you want to do it 15 minutes. You can go in here and put, let's change this to greater than or equal to 15, and then less than 15. Right? And once you're done with the conditional formatting, you can cross it out. The one of these last two are a little bit different because we're using zeros and ones. I have the average set that as long as you're getting an average of 0.75, so 75% of the time you're following your water and 75% of the time you're following your diet, then it'll be green. But if you want to be more strict or less strict with yourself, you can also change that with the conditional formatting. So say I want to make sure that my diet, I'm doing it, following it 85% of the time. Then I'm going to go to the conditional formatting and change this to 0.85, and then the other one also to 0.85. And so that's how you get your own personal adjustments to this. And then from there, you're good. You just input this. You could print it if you want. You lose out the formatting, the benefit of this doing the averages for you. But if you follow it easier, having a physical sheet, that's totally cool too. And you can track along. So I hope this was helpful. You guys can download it in the description. And comment if you enjoyed this. If you want to see more content like this, you can also follow us on Instagram, Jazz Memes. And you can check us online, jazzmemes.org. We have a bunch of articles and have some free resources and are going to be producing a bunch more courses and free courses too for you. So definitely check there, get on the email list, and do all that good stuff. All right, check in with you soon.